Alright, y'all. With 4th of July coming up, I'm feeling a bit nostalgic. And I just went with some chicken thighs, marinated in a bottle of zesty Italian dressing. It's gone for overnight, so I don't know, probably about, guess it's been 24 hours or so, because I did it sometime yesterday after I got home from the store. I went ahead and marinated it and got it going, so I think currently right now we're at like 26 hours, but who cares? You can marinate it and let it go. I remember as a kid growing up that we would do this. My parents would throw chicken in, get it marinated in this Italian dressing, and then go straight to the grill. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw it. We're going to do it just like we used to back then. Take it straight from the bag, right onto the grill. Alright, y'all, the dome's reading 300. You can't really read that, but we're reading about 275. So I know my parents used to use a gas grill all the time, but we're going to use the Weber kettle. Good charcoal flavor. I'm just going to place these right on. One thing I am going to do that I know my parents didn't do is I'm going to reserve this into a little Blackstone tray. I'm going to reserve some of it, and put it on the grill to use to baste. Well, I kind of lost track of time, so I don't know where we're at, but I'm sure it's time to baste. These things look beautiful. We'll take a quick temp. 165, 161, 165. So we're just going to go ahead and baste it real good. Just take some of this baste, just stir it up. Give it another 20 minutes. All right, so let's take a look here. Yeah, them look done. Let's see. 170, 168, 170. Let's pull them on. Okay, now I have not forgot about my dressing here. We're going to pull that. We're just going to pour that right on top. Alright, so these have rested. Let's go ahead and get one on the cutting board and let's give it a try. Let's get this big one right there. Alright, so let's cut into it. Alright, y'all, let's give this a taste. Nothing says 80s cookout like Italian dressing marinated chicken thighs. Wow. Ready? Sit. Nope. Sit. 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 Come on. They approve. Do you approve?